Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox voice chat on mobile. This exciting feature allows you to communicate with other players in real time within supported experiences. To begin, you must be at least 13 years old and have a verified account. The process involves a quick age verification using a valid government-issued identification. Once verified, you can easily enable the voice chat option in your privacy settings. It's a straightforward process that opens up new ways to interact on Roblox. To verify your age, navigate to your Roblox account settings and look for the age verification section. You will need a government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan your ID and then take a live selfie. This secure process ensures you meet the minimum age requirement of 13 years old. The verification usually takes only a few minutes to complete, allowing you to proceed quickly. Once your age is successfully verified, head back to your privacy settings within Roblox. Scroll down until you find the Enable Voice Chat toggle. Simply switch this option to the On position. After enabling, you can join any Roblox experience that supports voice chat. Look for the microphone icon next to player names to confirm. Remember, not all games have this feature, so explore different experiences to find ones that do. If you encounter issues, first check your device's microphone permissions for the Roblox app. Ensure it has access. Also, make sure your Roblox application is updated to its latest version, as this often resolves glitches. A stable internet connection is crucial for clear audio. For the best experience, consider using a headset to minimize background noise and improve sound quality. Enjoy connecting with friends and other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.